Looks like a bunch of spray paint, but that's what you like. Waves are tough though. That paint is crazy. Okay guys, so look, those are the type of comments I get all the time, man, when I'm showing my, if I'm showing a taper, I'm showing a haircut, I'm showing my hair, regardless, I'm always getting something like that, which I know it comes with the game. But look, I want to explain to you guys, as you can see, man, when he's lining me up, it's either you have two options. You can start from where my hairline starts at, ends at, or you could push it back. As you can see, with my wave pattern, man, you're going to have gaps, so you got to fill in those gaps, man, with the spray. I see it right there, man. He got to do that, you know what I mean? And that's because of the type of wave pattern I have, 720 waves. Right side is pushed back further than left side. 720 cool, but 360 is better. Man, you got a perm. Bro, I don't got a perm. I put in hard work. Been doing it for over 10 years. Google me. Google me. Google me. Nah, man, but look, I ain't trying to entertain the bullshit. I'm just letting y'all know, man, look. I put in hard work on my hair, bro. This is my business. This is my life. And I don't consider this as business, bro. This is really a lifestyle for me. I've been doing it for so long. I love doing it, and I love creating products for the wave community. So y'all stay tuned for the new drop that's about to drop. That's on tomorrow, okay, Thursday, 2:00 p.m. PT time. Stay tuned. Summer Vibes is back. Yeah.